In the chapter of limits, we find a topic called indeterminate forms. This is very important word because a problem on limits is solved particularly after knowing what type of indeterminate form is. Okay, na? So instead of calling these values as indeterminate forms, instead of calling them as undefined, why are we calling them as indeterminate forms? Let us try to understand. So there are generally 7 indeterminate forms: 0 by 0, infinity by infinity, 0 into infinity, infinity minus infinity, 1 power infinity, 0 power 0, infinity power 0. These are the 7 primary indeterminate forms. Now, instead of calling it as undefined, because denominator is 0, why do we call them as indeterminate forms? Let us see. So actually, dear students, when, for example, let me take a question, limit x approaches 0, sin x divided by x. Okay, if I try to go for substitution method and if I substitute x value as 0, sin 0 is 0 divided by x value is 0. So it looks like the answer is 0 by 0, correct or not? But what's important is to understand that the answer is not exactly 0 by 0. When x is approaching 0, sin x is also approaching 0. Sin x also approaches 0 and denominator x also approaches 0. So the actual answer is not exactly 0 by 0. The answer is what? The numerator is approaching 0, which means 0.0000 something. Same way, denominator is also what? 0.0000 something. Now, why exactly it is called indeterminate form means, since the numerator is approaching 0, it can be any number like I'll give you. So there is a possibility that the numerator's value is 10 power minus 10. Okay, 0.0000 and so on, 9 zeros and then 1. And denominator can be 10 power minus 30. Correct or not? In this case, what is the value? This is just an example. And if you simplify it, you will get 10 power 20. A very larger number. Correct or not? Now, what if a numerator is sin x is approaching 0 now? What if that numerator is 10 power minus 30 and the denominator is 10 power minus 10? And what if x is approaching only 10 power minus 10? Then what do we get? You will get 1 divided by 10 power 20. This is very smaller number. See, it cannot exactly say what is the value of numerator exactly and what is the value of denominator exactly. Okay, now for that reason, the value of this 0 by 0 can be 10 power 20, a very larger number, or 1 by 10 power 20, a very smaller number. And some cases, the numerator can be 10 power minus